So, hello students, question number 47. So, the statement 1, what is telling that unlike a gallium that has very high melting point and cesium has a very low melting point. So, guys, so this question is, this statement is wrong statement. Why? Because you see the gallium melting point, it is coming around, so 29.5 degrees Celsius, whereas cesium melting point will be, so 28.5 degree Celsius. So, the given statement is completely false statement. A statement is false. Now come to the statement number B. So on Pauling scale, so the electronegativity values of nitrogen, chlorine are not same. But actually what happened? The electronegativity of nitrogen is equal to electronegativity of chlorine. That is a so false statement they given. So they both have in the electronegativity. So around 3 electronegativity of both of them will be 3 will be having. So the given is false statement. Now, now third statement. So now third statement what they're telling is argon, potassium positive, Cl minus, calcium 2 positive, S2 minus are isoelectronic species. So what exactly meaning of isoelectronic species? Isoelectronic species is nothing but atom or ion must have the same number of electrons. Same number of electrons in atom or ion. That is called as a isoelectronic. Suppose if I see argon, argon will be atomic number is 18. Atomic number is 18. Atomic number 18. That means number of protons are 18. So here keep this one point. Number of protons. Number of protons is equal to, so number of protons is equal to, so atomic number that is equal to number of electrons. So that means what happened, guys? So when atomic number is equal to is nothing but number of electrons available in the particular species. Now you can see here, argon atomic number will be 18. That means argon having the 18 electrons. So argon having the 18 electrons. Then along with the potassium atomic number is 19. 19 plus 1 means it is loss of electrons. So 19 minus 1 is again 18 electron. Again calcium, chlorine. Chlorine atomic number is 17. Chlorine atomic number is 17 minus 1. That means it is a gain of electron. So again chlorine become 18 electrons. Calcium 2 positive. Generally calcium atomic number is 20. So 20 electrons, there is 2 loss of electrons. So it become again 18 electrons. Again sulfur atomic number 16. Minus 2 means the gain of electrons. It becomes 20 electron. So statement C is absolutely right statement. Statement C is the absolute right statement. This is a true, right? So that is a true. Now, question option number that is statement number 4. D. The correct order of first ionization enthalpy of sodium, magnesium, aluminium, as well as silicon. So if you arrange them in the order of their periodic table position, so sodium will come in the first group, magnesium will come in the second group, whereas aluminium come in the 13th group, and silicon come in the 14th group. So 14th group, 13th group, and second group, then become first group. So when you go across the period, size will be decreases. Size decreases, there electronegativity increases. Electronegativity increases, ionization energy will be increases. Now, so that we got to know that, so silicon will be having the maximum. Silicon is maximum among them. Then here when you see magnesium and aluminum, magnesium will be higher. Why magnesium higher? Magnesium case will be fully filled configuration is there. So fully filled configuration, that is 3s2. Here 3s1. Here you will be having the, so 3p1. So electron removal from the 3p1 will be more easier than 3s2. So you will get the next one is magnesium. magnesium, then will come aluminum. Last will be sodium. So this is the correct answer for this. So check it whether they given this one or not. Now, so silicon, aluminum, magnesium. So this statement also false statement. Now, statement number E. Atomic radius of cesium is greater than that of lithium and rubidium. So, statement D is absolutely right. Why it become right? So, down the group, so size will be increases. Size will be increases. So, due to atomic cells will be increases. Cells increases. So, statement E will be right. So we have only two statements are right. One is C, another is E. That is option 2 will be the correct answer for this question.